Yo, welcome to a new video. Um, what the, like, okay, fuck these ads. Today I'm gonna be ranking energy drink, brands. Yeah. See, I'm a person who loves energy drinks. Like, I'm sipping on one already, you know. So, I thought it would be good to rank them. Of course, some are shit, some are good. So yeah, let's just. Yo, before I start this video, I need you to look at one thing. See this? So, please subscribe and let's begin. Start. First of all, Bang Energy. This, it fucking tastes, it tastes ass. Okay, it doesn't say taste ass. Bro, it's mid. And if you drink this and you're a man, you look like a pussy ass. No fucking lie. You look like a pussy ass. Um, Next up I've got Ghost. It's it's it tastes better than Bang, but also it's kind of cool, Ghost. Cool name, but whatever. They got some banger flavors though. So, you know, hell. No, you know what? Tastes also mid, um, but it's really good. So, like it looks it looks off brand. I don't know why. It's just to me, I guess. Nos. See, like, Nos Energy, good taste. Um, Also, if you drink this and you're a man, you look like you watch Fast and the Furious, which I do. So that's cool. Like, nothing else to say. Good, good drink. Um, Good, brand name, and it looks fucking dope. So yeah. Next up, Cold Energy. I don't know where to put it. I'm gonna put it in D. It tastes like ass. It's fucking shit. Fucking shit. Um, but bottles look kinda cool. Also, I'm rating these on like the original. Though if you see this one, actually, you have to wait. Um, but yeah, Cold Energy is just it tastes ass, bro. Shit. C4, the same thing. I know a lot of people like C4 Energy, but I don't like it. It's fucking, it's not shit. It's mid. You know, when you get an energy drink, like, they all have the same flavor, but different aftertaste. But, C4 just, it doesn't hit. Doesn't hit. Next up, I got Rain, Rage. I don't know how to fucking say it. It's going C tier. I'd, I'd say it's over Bang, you know, because like it tastes better, but the fucking logo, the bottle just looks like shit. Nothing else to say. Red Bull is gonna be S tier. And obviously, there's a war. There's a fucking World War energy drink. You're either Team Red Bull or Team Monster. I'm not gonna say which team I'm on. You have to find that out. Um, so we let it to the end. Next up, Prime. Nothing to say. Tastes fucking shit. Dog shit. Don't don't buy that, please. Don't buy that. It's shit. Trash. But yeah, next up, Rockstar. You know, if you drink this, you'll be like this, like Sigma, bro. But now not over NOS, but still very good. G Fuel, it's over these. Uh, yeah, G Fuel, they have some good designs though. I will say that. But everything else just tastes like energy drink. Some good flavors, but some are just so shit. That's why it's B tier. It could be S tier and it could be fucking D tier. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Next up, we got Burn. Burn? Okay, nah. Fuck. It's over Bang. Um, I'm guessing you have never tried this because it's like it's not in all countries, you know. But Burn is, uh, like honestly, over Ghost. Tastes like middle, but in a good way. Not like G Fuel. It tastes like a normal energy drink, but like something is about it that you just like. So, earlier in the video, I said there's a war, Red Bull and Monster. And I'm gonna say, Monster is my favorite energy drink brand. As you see, I'm literally fucking drinking one. Um, when you drink Monster Energy, you feel like a man. The the design, the fucking design is so fucking good. And stop bullshitting like, oh, it's a devil sign. It's Satan, it's bad. Who gives a fuck? It tastes amazing. It tastes fucking good. So that's SS tier. I would have not made SS tier, but then I had to. But now Monster Energy. I call it the white monster, but officially it's zero sugar. I don't know, but it's the best energy drink ever made. Ever fucking made. It's it's so fucking good. If I had to describe it, it tastes like energy drink with fucking juice. It's so fucking good. If you have not tried White Monster, that sounds really weird. If you're not, if you haven't drank the Monster Energy Zero Sugar, I believe, um, you're missing out on life because that shit tastes good. That's why, like, energy drinks taste better than like soft drinks or like fucking Coca-Cola, Sprite's fucking okay, but Sprite is good. Fuck that. Monster Energy is the best drink like company. I believe like I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So this is the ranking, and if you don't agree, I don't give a fuck. My list, and yeah, Monster Energy is the best. So I hope you like this video. If you disagree, put in the comments. Like, if you write something stupid, I'm gonna reply. If you write something good, I'm also gonna reply. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. See you on the next videos.